My name is Maja Petrić. I'm an artist. I come from Croatia. I was born and raised in Zagreb, but I am based now in Seattle, Washington, where I've been working now for a couple of decades, creating immersive installations and light sculptures, many of them using advanced technologies that we are developing in the studio. Those are all exploring human connection to nature and also how light, space and atmosphere influences our belonging to each other and nature. Star-Filled Void is an immersive installation, and it is depicting impressionistically the cosmos. And one can enter the piece and feel themselves as part of the cosmos. Their silhouettes will be included into this landscape filled with stars, and they will see themselves reflected in the starscape in real time, but also they'll see memories of other people who were there before, again, as silhouettes filled with stars.